from vitalitybyjenny.com, and I wanted to show you guys a couple of the clips from our recent trip to Austin, where we're making our next home, because it really highlights, for at least for me, or if you've seen Vegas, then it really highlights the difference between here and there, and why one of the major reasons why we're moving to Austin is because of the incredible amount of nature and natural landscaping that is there that has remained untouched. So it's just incredibly beautiful, and it was really, really breathtaking to be there and to be surrounded by so much green and so many open spaces and trees that have just been there and been left there, even, you know, through all the construction and homes being built and all of that stuff. So and we were really, really happy to be there and to experience the whole city. And so we just wanted to share with you a couple of the clips that I took on my iPhone. Enjoy.
We're here at beautiful Austin, Lady Bird Lake, where we'll probably be the only people not exercising, but if you count walking. Look how pretty it is. You don't know how to get down there.
Yeah, gotta work on that.
Oh, here's the back there. Is this the live open? Look, there's live music everywhere.
Oh my gosh, how cute. 2 of them. Just gorgeous. Look at this.
Look at that, how pretty it is.
Real grass. More?
What is this though? This thing's floating.
That's nice.
This is why we need to be here.
Yeah.
What is this? Raiders.
You're goofy. Love these big chimes.
But how nice is this for gardening?
Yeah, no, it's perfect to have both going in there and there. There's the jungle gym back there.
Cute.
And the fence is different. And they're building a little gazebo here. This playground.
The baby school.
I don't remember the slides last time either.
So like I said before, I just loved all of the nature there. It was just really, really beautiful. And so, of course, when we move there, hopefully within a couple of weeks, not sure exactly when yet, you will be seeing many more videos from, you know, that whole area, the backyard. You can watch my garden grow, all of that fun stuff. And, you know, just be a part of our move with us. I love you guys. Bye.